Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to record sounds on your iPhone 17. At first, go to the folder of utilities here and then tap on Voice Memos. Here tap this big red circle button, and now as you can see our voice is being recorded by our iPhone. Here as you can see we have a time, our name of the new recording, and yeah. To finish the recording we have to tap this white circle with the red square in the middle. And now here we have our recording. To delete this recording, tap this bin icon over here and the recording will be deleted. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!